Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. At first, I want to know how are you. I think you are well by the grace of God, and we are also safe. At present, we are reading the topic, the fun they had, very interesting topic, that is in 3 to 4 videos I have finished it. So finishing after, we should maintain the theme, the story of the fun they had. So most of the students do not give proper attention on it, and finally he will be in problem in future. So finishing after the text, I shall tell you the summary about it, the fun they had, and we should understand if you have read the text, otherwise a lot of problem will create in front of you. So finally you should read the text, because English is very linking language. It will help you more and more to make language, to make proper answer. If you are not doing that, a lot of problem will create in your brain. You will be in doubt and you will be in problem. And time to time teacher will scold you, and you will be nervous. So I mean to say, don't take more negatives, and always keep yourself positive, and by positive frame of mind you will handle yourself and maintain yourself, because this is the matter of class 9 and it's not easy, very hard, but after understanding it is very easy but simple. Okay, so let us start the topic of the fun they had, and which kind of notes you have to compose, you will have to write, have to understand. So first point, the fun they had. The story is set in second century, 22 century, because it is told by me in the story. This is number 1. The story is set in 22, that means 22nd century, because it is taught by me. This is the story of the future of the school, and talking about 150 years ahead. आगे का, ahead means आगे का, 150 साल पहले की बात हो रही है. Okay, so this was the first one, and second one, Margie's diary. And what was the condition of Margie's diary? Margie is a little girl of the school. In the story makes a diary entry, and Tommy found a real book. But Margie, a little girl of the school in the story. इस स्टोरी में मैर्गी जो है वो एक छोटी सी बच्ची है, और टॉमी जो है, सो टॉमी को इस स्टोरी में पूरा रियल किताब मिल गया है. दिस वाज टॉट बाय मी इन द स्टोरी. एंड द थर्ड वन, द रियल बुक. टॉमी फाउंड एन ओल्ड बुक printed on paper. Margie was satisfied to see such a book. मैर्गी को सेटिस्फैक्शन हो गई थी ऐसे किताब को देख करके, बिकॉज टॉमी के पास ओल्ड रियल बुक्स था, जिसकी छपाई या जिसके वर्ड जो है सो प्रिंटेड पेपर पे थे. But here the talking about futures school, no any paper will be there, and we will have computer, and through computer we will have to maintain the text, because virtual classes will be held. It is given in figure in your text. So they were using telebooks and had never seen a real book before the book was on schools as they were centuries ago. तो उन लोगों के पास वो लोग कौन सा बुक यूज कर रहे थे? वो लोग टेली बुक्स यूज कर रहे थे. टेली बुक्स की चर्चा हमने किया था. टेली बुक्स कहाँ चर्चा किया था? फ्यूचर्स स्कूल में. I had discussed it in Futures School, robotic teacher, virtual classes, and e-textbook. It is given in the picture. So it's necessary you will have to read the text, otherwise you will have a lot of problem, and in all circumstances you will have to face that. Otherwise, if you will not face it, then you will be in problem, and one day it will be exposed, and guardian will be understand, the teacher will be understand, you are not reading at home, so you will have to attempt it. So real book before, the book was on schools as they were centuries ago. This is the third point, and according to this third point you can explain. Next topic was from the fun they had schools of century ago. Schools of century ago. First point, a story is setting about 22nd century, about 150 years ahead. And second point, Margie's diary. And third, the real book. And fourth one, schools of century ago. They were in a separate building. They were in a separate building. जितना भी मैं लिखा रहा हूँ, अगर तुम इसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाओगे स्टोरी वीडियो देखने के बाद हमें बता देना, सारा तुम कर देगा. ठीक है, एक बार तुम पढ़ देना, लेकिन हमको बता देना. हम दूसरा चैप्टर में चले जाएंगे तो फिर लंबा समय बाद बताएंगे. So it's your duty. So centuries, schools of century ago, they were in a separate building. Children came to it willingly. There were women teachers. Kids of the same age group were taught the same thing and got the same homework. They could help each other and discuss it. This is the features of schools of century ago. मतलब एक शताब्दी पहले का स्कूल का बात हो रहा है, और यहाँ एक शताब्दी आगे की बात की हो रही है. अभी हम लोग 21 सेंचुरी में चल रहे हैं, 22 सेंचुरी की बात हो रही है. तो 22 सेंचुरी में जब जाएंगे तब ना, बट तो फ्यूचर स्कूल उसी की बात है, 150 years ago. Okay, a school in the story. Next point will be a school in the story. It was located in the house itself. It is located in the house itself. There was an individual school. स्कूल क्या था? इंडिविजुअल था. फॉर ईच चाइल्ड, प्रत्येक बच्चा के लिए अलग अलग स्कूल था. बिकॉज वर्चुअल क्लासेस मीन्स यू आर रीडिंग एट योर होम, इन योर होम. आप अपने घर में पढ़ रहे हो. आप कहाँ पढ़ रहे हो? अपने घर में पढ़ रहे हो. ओके. There was an individual rooms school for each child. The mechanical teacher taught using sector of subjects, gave homework and test, checked them and gave marks. This was the duty, this was the work of the teacher. टीचर क्या क्या करते थे, उनको वर्क दिया करते थे, टेस्ट लिया करते थे और चेक करके फिर क्या क्या करते थे, मार्क्स दिया करते थे. दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ ए स्कूल इन द स्टोरी. ए स्कूल इन द स्टोरी. क्लियर. नंबर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, poor performance of Margie, particularly in geography. It is also described by me in text. So Margie's teacher was giving her test after test of geography. No. And day by day she was performing very, very poor. That means very worse. And this worried to her mother, why she is performing poor and worse. So she sent for the county inspector and he took the teacher apart. He found that this is the term and condition, and it is explained in poor performance of Margie's. And he saw there the computer is going too quick, so she set it, slowed it. So she set very, very slow. Understand? And the average speed of 10 years level. It is also discussed and described by me in text and in video class. These are the points. And finally, the disappointment of Margie. What was her disappointment? Margie thought that the setting of the geography sector would take about 1 month. As Tommy history sector, this is the thought of the Margie and disappointment. History sector did, but hers took only 1 hour. This disappointed her as she was not realized studying geography even for a single day. This was the next topic of Margie disappointment. This is the explanation and thoughts of Margie's disappointment, and the thoughts here that day when her teacher was teaching her addition of fractions, her thought were elsewhere. जब जिक्र हुई थी उस लेसन में कि एक दिन टॉपिक था एडिशन का जो कि फ्रैक्शन से था, but at that time Margie was not conscious. She was thinking what fun the kid might be having studying, playing and enjoying together centuries ago. कि बच्चे सेंचुरीज एगो मतलब 1 सेंचुरी पहले किस तरह से जो है सो पढ़ाई करते थे, खेलते थे, आनंद उठाते थे. These are the conditions, these are the thoughts of Margie's thoughts. So these are the summary and created a lot of matter and thoughts. According to the thoughts and points, you will have to describe it well. Somewhere you will feel a lot of problem at that time. I will help you if I have question, if I have any information. So firstly you should try to write question answer from the text, because today I taught the summary of the fun they had after text. A lot of question is given and you have to form the answer according to the question, according to the topics. After reading and writing it, you will able to understand yourself how much you have understood the story of the fun they had. If you will not try to write answer of these questions, then you will not check yourself how much you have improved, especially in English literature, and how much idea you have. Such kinds of thought you will fail. So, according to me, you will have to write the question answer. I shall wait for you only today. If I will not get question answer from you, then I will start the next topic, and that next topic will be the poem which is composed by Robert Frost, and the topic name will be The Road Not Taken. So it's homework. After hearing the summary, you will have to attempt question answer, because from today you will have to improve yourself how to form and how to write question answer, how to compose. And writing after, you will be accurate and you can deal your answer in the form of accuracy. It is very, very important for the purpose of CBSE. So you will have to maintain it and have to write it and send that answer on school's WhatsApp. Okay, thanks.